So what are we doing here?
Well, we're replacing this with weather strips so that there's not as much...
From the bottom of a door?
Yeah, the bottom of a door sweep. So it'll keep the air out. And then these two, there's two little brackets here with all these screws in them. I'm going to pull them out, and I think I'm just going to take rubber like off of a tube, like a bicycle tube. And I'm going to stretch it across there when the door's open and seal it so that it kind of opens and closes, because I don't see any of this stuff, and I don't think that insulation is going to work that goes in the car. So.
Sounds good. One more weatherproofing, guys. Quick tip, go to reuse it. Habitat for Humanity if it's in your local area. They're really cheap and really easy to find.